Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to review Once dating app. Once is a dating app that focuses on meaningful connections instead of endless swiping. Rather than showing hundreds of profiles every day, the app gives you one carefully selected perfect match every 24 hours. You then have 24 hours to decide whether you want to start a conversation. To make conversations easier, the app includes the Pour Cards game. This feature lets both users answer fun questions to discover shared interests and break the ice before chatting. Although the app is free to download, many features are limited. Once uses an in-app currency called gems. Gems may be needed for messaging certain users, viewing extra profile details, or interacting with popular members. Because of this, costs can add up if you use these features often. The app also offers a premium subscription. Premium members receive benefits such as unlimited likes, more daily matches, and unlimited chats with regular members. However, messaging some popular members may still require spending gems. Overall, Once is designed for people who prefer a slower dating experience with fewer but more thoughtful matches. Be sure to explore the free features before deciding whether a subscription or additional gems are worth it for your needs. Thanks for watching.